Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Stronghold SHX, ISO20022 Labs. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got $50 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got $129 off if you follow the link in the description box below. And guys, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens. It supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including Stellar XLM. So do check it out and keep your assets in a cold storage away from hot exchanges, guys. Anyways, guys, now let us look into the price and chart of SHX at the time of the recording, guys. So this is SHX. It is up 14.86% for the day, guys. The price has gone up from 0.006663 all the way to 0.007798. If we look at the 7-day chart, it is up 23.99%. Cool. It has gone up from 0.006329 and basically broken the 7-day resistance of 0.007 as well. As far as monthly is concerned, it is up 11.89%, guys. It is on its way to test this 0.008 mark, this resistance. If it breaks out, then let's see where we're headed, because in the monthly, guys, it went as low as 0.005719, and it has tested the 0.008 mark twice, guys. So once, twice, and it is on its way to basically testing this again. Let's see how it goes. So if this resistance is broken, guys, I think the next mark, obviously, for obvious reasons, will be this is the 0.008 area, guys. If this is broken, I think we're going back and testing the cent mark 0.009, and then from there on forward the cent mark, and then we can even go on forward to test the yearly highs, guys. So it is really undervalued, guys, for a project that is delivering and basically giving us updates and developments time and again, and a utility coins of extraordinary potential, guys. $44 million market cap is nothing for what it can achieve, guys, in the long run. So talking about news, guys, check this out. This is from the official Stronghold X handle, May 7th. Big news. We've acquired two ISO, I think, 20022 labs, guys. Pioneers in ISO 20022. Okay, so 20022 labs, pioneers in ISO 20022, revolutionizing global financial messaging compliance. With this asset, we're better equipped than ever to assist businesses with global money movements. So this is awesome, guys. Stronghold acquires ISO 20022 labs. What does this mean, guys? Let us look into this video.
Imagine a world where every financial transaction you make is not just faster, but smarter. That world starts today with Stronghold's groundbreaking move, our acquisition of 20022 Labs. Hi everyone, I'm Tammy Camp, CEO of Stronghold. 20022 Labs is not just any company. They are pioneers in the ISO 20022 standard, a global framework that is reshaping how financial messages are processed worldwide. This acquisition is designed to integrate and leverage 20022 Labs' extensive knowledge in research in financial messaging standards. It will enhance the functionality of our payments platform and our expansive network, StrongholdNet. For our customers and partners, these enhancements will streamline financial operations and introduce a new level of efficiency and interoperability in our financial services. With ISO 20022, we can now process transactions that not only move money, but also convey complete and precise data about those transactions. This reduces the need for manual intervention, drastically reduces errors, and lowers operational costs. For our customers, this means faster, clearer, and more reliable financial transactions. Every payment becomes a building block for more informed and strategic business decisions. This is about making your financial operations as efficient as possible, which in turn will significantly boost your bottom line. As ISO 20022 becomes the norm, this access opens up new possibilities for developers around the world. It makes it easier to build applications that leverage the full capability of this universal financial language. This makes your transactions smoother and more consistent, increasing security and reliability in your financial operations. With 20022 Labs now part of our family, we are more equipped than ever to improve how money moves around the world. Stay connected and witness how we transform financial services to empower businesses and individuals, including you, everywhere.
Guys, this is awesome. Stronghold, as you know, is trying to transform the payments industry, the finance sector, and ISO 20022 is the standard that is going to be the basic standard, the minimum standard going forward. And this acquirement is indeed a big move, in my opinion, and the price has reflected it. Let us look into what people are saying. Great news. Congratulations, Tammy and team. I'm very happy. This is a fantastic path on our journey. Thank you, Tammy. Tammy is a powerhouse and a long industry leader. Power moves. LFG, SHX, excellent news. Let it come more. This is a big nothing burger. Okay. Congrats, 2024 Stronghold Next Stop Pluto. ISO 20022 LFG. Cool. Not going to affect price. Did they say it would? Peanut, you the type of guy to buy SHX and think you invested in Stronghold. How can it? The entire market is soak in trading bots. All you can do is hold. So why even purchase this foolishness if it won't? I read an article that said 90% of all crypto trades are done by bots. I bet we are all at their mercy, it seems. But I think this has reflected in price as well. Like, even if we look at the daily chart, guys, it is up 13.84%, this news at least. If you look at the 7-day chart, it is up 23.73%. So yeah, it is going up, broken this resistance line. The news has impacted the price at the moment, but let's see if it can break through this resistance. Not sure it would, but let's see, because the people are hyped. Check this out. This is Polly. Bullish on this new acquisition by Stronghold Pay. I had no idea what 20022 Labs was, so I looked them up. Mind blown. 20022labs.com. Let us look into this. What is this? I told you all I only go long on utility. That I think will be part of the new financial system. SHX is one of them, in my opinion. Direct ties to both Ripple and Stellar. I've been screaming and buying SHX since the beginning of this year at $0.0018 and even bought more on its run up. Yeah. On the contrary, guys, we've been talking about SHX, I think, when it was 0.0005 or 0.00045, I think. This is when I made the first video on SHX. So if it indeed goes on to become that financial, an integral part and a cornerstone of this new financial system, it's going to be awesome, in my opinion, guys. Let us look into what others are saying over here. Did you look into what I sent you and see what it is doing today? I think you suggest ICE. I bought a small amount. Game changing. Bypassed the moon straight to Mars. Folly. I bought at 1 cent and in red, but have no stress. Waiting for this to pop by YE like no tomorrow. I know what I hold. Why exactly was your mind blown? David Louis. LOL. Okay, so let us look into the website. What is this? 20022 Labs. Basically, Stronghold has acquired this, guys. Let us look into the website. Accelerating adoption of data-rich payments. a global membership organization driving awareness and adoption of the ISO 20022 based messaging standard, guys. So this is awesome. ISO 20022 is going to be a huge narrative going forward. Aside from the utility, guys. Aside from the utility, let me add one thing. 2025, when ISO 20022 marketing happens and people talk about it, all these ISO coins are going to be pumping due to the narrative and hype as well. Aside from the ultimate and subsequent utility that we are all waiting for. So check this out: payments, retail cards, trade services, securities, foreign exchange, upcoming events, enabling stronger, more efficient economies. What is ISO 20022? ISO 20022 has emerged as the global standard for payment messaging, and it allows for larger amounts of data to travel with payment messages. Why membership? Members get exclusive access to intimate roundtables, leading experts, and off the record discussions to gain competitive advantages from being an early adopter of ISO 20022. Use cases. We work with experts within their respective industries, geographies, and supply chains to develop specific use cases that demonstrate the real world value of adopting ISO 20022. Check this out: the events, upcoming event, corporate adoption sandbox briefing, ISO 20022 business drivers, what early corporate adopters gain from ISO 20022, 3 case studies, in pursuit of data, full payments. So cool. I think that this is really a good news, guys, going forward for Stronghold. What do you guys think? Do you think this acquisition is bullish? And why do you think it is? And if not, why? Give your reasons as well, guys. So I would like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.